Hello, folks, and welcome to your Monday afternoon, April 26th WYDOT weather briefing. I'm Day weather meteorologist Mark Huer. Well, decreasing winds this evening on I-80 and across central and south central Wyoming. That's some good news where we've had gusts 60 to 70 plus miles per hour at times along the I-80 corridor between Laramie and Rawlins out towards Wamsutter. Some moderate to a little bit of heavy snow in northern and western mountains here tonight. Some on and off light rain and snow overnight for all but far eastern and southeastern areas. Will be some impacts lower and higher elevations, especially overnight tonight. Much cooler statewide Tuesday, temperatures down about 20 degrees, especially in the east and southeast, and areas of rain and snow, especially in the southeast for Tuesday afternoon and night. Then warm, dry, and very nice weather late in the week. So what's keeping us active and unsettled here today? Well, we've got a big trough of low pressure across the western United States. We've got Wyoming right here, and we have a strong southwest flow across the state. With the southwest flow along the east and also south sides, warm and dry here today. Cool and damp on the north and west side, and that's going to hold true through tonight from about northwest Wyoming out towards Arlington and Elk Mountain, west and north, seeing the bulk of the rain and snow and some impacts to the east and south. Still mild and dry tonight. For your Tuesday, trough of low pressure digs a little further south, it moves a little further east, and this is going to allow for some cool Canadian air to flow in at the surface from the north. It's also going to be pumping up moisture and energy from the southwest, and come late Tuesday from about Rawlins on east out to western Nebraska and up towards Douglas, and including all of southeastern Wyoming, some rain and snow, some of which could be heavy Tuesday evening and night in the far southeastern corner of the state, including higher elevations of I-80 between Laramie and Rawlins. We'll talk more about that here in a little bit. And then late in this week, you'll finally say spring has sprung. Big ridge of high pressure across the western United States. And here across Wyoming, we're going to be looking at unseasonably warm and dry weather conditions starting to develop Thursday, then really taking shape Friday through Saturday. Another little weather system might impact us Sunday to Monday, but that's a long ways off. Here for tonight, we're going to be looking at a couple pockets of some heavier snow. That's across the higher elevations of our western and northwestern mountains, also including Togety Pass. Then the Bighorn is going to be looking at some moderate to heavy snow here tonight. Powder River Pass and also US 14. Touch of it might sneak down to the I-90 corridor from the Montana state line out towards Buffalo, maybe down towards Casey, but still a rain-snow mix overnight tonight. Lower elevations mainly as temperatures not all that cold here yet. Light shaded areas here tonight, some light snow shower activity, 1 to 3 inches, especially across our higher elevations. But we will be looking at the potential of some slick and icy roads and black ice tonight here for this light blue shaded area, thanks to temps down in the 20s, and we'll be looking at more significant impacts across Togety and then US 14 and Powder River Pass tonight, where the combination of wet, heavy snow, some pretty high snow rates of maybe an inch or two an hour at times, will create the reduced visibility and also those slick and icy roads. From this dashed line on west and south, some scattered rain and snow showers tonight. Not a lot, but the higher elevations could pick up trace to 2 inch, mainly South Pass, possibly around Arlington and Elk Mountain, some of the sections of 130 and 230, and then also possibly I-80 from about Green River out towards the Utah state line. Here in the far east and southeast, remaining dry and breezy tonight with a little bit of some rain and snow shower activity up in the northeast. No road accumulations though, and even a few evening thunderstorms continuing to work their way off to the east-northeast. What about tomorrow? Up in the northwest with the passing of the cold front and all the energy to the south, cool and dry. A little AM snow shower activity still left over, and the Bighorns could pick up another inch. Scattered AM rain and snow showers with a trace to a half an inch possible. Mostly dry though in the afternoon and also the overnight hours for this area here on northward. It'll be Southwestern and south central Wyoming still seeing some AM rain and snow showers tomorrow morning. Might pick up a trace to another inch. Some scattered PM showers, but really no big weather impacts, especially during the day. No wind to speak of either tonight nor tomorrow as winds continue to decrease. For this area right here, south central and portions of southeastern Wyoming, that's where the main impacts will be late tomorrow. The dark blue shaded area going to be picking up some moderate to heavy snow as we get into late Tuesday afternoon, especially after sunset on through the evening. Moisture and energy moving up in the southwest, combining with temps in the 20s, create some moderate to heavy snow. Could pick up 3 to 6 inches. Wet, heavy snow from just west of Cheyenne over towards Laramie. 2 to 5 inches possibly around the Arlington and Elk Mountain area, with 1 to 3 inches then elsewhere across lower elevations in this blue shaded area. Traced to maybe 2 inches here, other sections of I-80 and secondary roads here throughout the Shirley Basin and south central Wyoming. Far southeastern corner of the state, in line for some moderate to heavy rain, maybe some thunderstorms, probably not much in the way of snow though at all, especially below 5,500 to 6,000 feet. I-25, though, a little suspect for tomorrow night for some potential snow, and that's also true right in the Cheyenne area. From about 6,500 to 5,500 feet, temperatures borderline, generally near 30 degrees tomorrow night it looks like, so a rain-snow mix, maybe some accumulations, grassy areas. Road surfaces, though, generally should be staying wet. Outside of the higher elevations, 7,000 feet and above. And then here in the far southeast plains, like I mentioned, some moderate to heavy rain could pick up 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch, but the threat of snow is very small. And then as we get into Wednesday, cool northwest flow, mostly dry, near to slightly below average temperatures. Thanks for watching today, and we'll talk to you more tomorrow, especially about this area here in southeastern Wyoming.